Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic Eukaryotes. First of all, what is Eukaryotes? Eukaryotes are organisms whose cells contain a true membrane bound nucleus and other membrane bound organelles. They are more complex and generally larger than prokaryotic cells. Characteristics of Eukaryotes. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus that is surrounded by a nuclear membrane. Their genetic materials is arranged in the form of linear chromosomes inside the nucleus. Eukaryotic cells contain several membrane-bound organelles, each performing a specific function. These ribosomes present in eukaryotic cells are 80 ribosomes, which are responsible for protein synthesis. Eukaryotic cells are generally larger, ranging from 10 to 100 million in size. These cells reproduce by mitosis for growth and repair and by meiosis during sexual reproduction. Eukaryotes may be unicellular such as amoeba and yeast or multicellular such as plants, animals and fungi. Eukaryotic organisms reproduce by both asexual and sexual methods depending on the species. They have a highly organized internal structure, allowing efficient coordination of cellular activities. Eukaryotic cells have a well-developed cytokinin that provides support, maintains cell shapes, and helps in movement. Structure of a eukaryotic cell. First, cell membrane. The cell membrane is a thin, flexible outer covering that surrounds the cell. It protects the cell and regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Second, cell wall. The cell wall is present in plant cells, fungal cells and many algae but is absent in animal cells. It provides strength, protection and maintains the shape of the cell. Third, nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It contains the genetic material. Fourth, mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy in the form of ATP through cellular respiration. Fifth, endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is the network of membranes that transports materials within the cell. Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus modifies, packages and transports protein and lipids to different parts of the cell or outside the cell. Seventh, lysosomes. Lysosomes contain digestive enzymes that break down waste material. 8th, ribosomes. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis. Eukaryotic cells contain 80 ribosomes in the cytoplasm. 9th, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are found only in plant cells and algae. They contain chlorophyll which absorbs sunlight and carries out photosynthesis. 10th, vacuoles. Vacuoles are membrane-bound sacs that store water, nutrients, pigment and waste material. Classification of eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are classified into 4 major groups. Protists, mostly unicellular organisms such as amoeba, paramecium and euglena. Fungi, organisms such as yeast, mushrooms and molds that obtain nutrients by absorption. Plants, multicellular organisms that contain chloroplasts and prepare their own food through photosynthesis. Animals, multicellular organisms that lack cell walls and obtain food by consuming other organisms. Examples of eukaryotes. Examples of eukaryotic organisms include amoeba, paramecium, euglena, yeast, mushroom, mango plant, human beings, dogs, cats and algae. Importance of eukaryotes. Eukaryotes form the major groups of living organisms including plants, animals, fungi and protists. They play an important role in maintaining ecological balance. Plants produce oxygen and food through photosynthesis. Animals contribute to ecosystem through pollination, seed dispersal and nutrient cycling. Fungi decomposes dead organic matter and recycle nutrients. Eukaryotes are important in medicine, agricultural, biotechnology and scientific research. Today's question: What is mitosis? What is the function of ribosomes? Thank you for watching. Share your thoughts in comment box about this video. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.